on. Right now it's on. Yeah, now the recording is also on. I should do something because this video is tilting, like it is moving regularly. I should do something for that also. Let me check out. Anyways, you can keep letting me know like what are things we have. Mm, you can type, you can text your things like what all you wanted to have. Any doubts, any opinions, any discussions? And let me just brief up. Like in today's class, I'm not going to start anything new. Either you can revise the things what you have done so far, or some important points. If you check in the PDF, you'll find some important points like extra formulas what are needed in this chapter for further solving some problems. I gave in the PDF what I have sent. Okay, if you check in that, you'll find one heading after the numerical problem. Before that, some additional important formulas or important points. About that points, I would like to have a discussion, because if you discuss today, this might help you for next quiz assignment 2, which is scheduled tomorrow at 7 p.m. Right? So accordingly, now what you people can do is just open that PDF, check the PDF, check that important points, see how many things, you know in that. One or two formulas are not known. I'll let you know those formulas. Right? You mean just keep checking. I'll be back in a moment. I'll be pausing for a while. I'll be back in a moment. Keep checking that. I have some work. సరిపోతుంది. Yes, yeah, I made some setup. This video was actually tilting, right? So to avoid that tilting, is that what is that you're getting reverse video? Or a reverse gun physics quiz assignment? Are you able to see it properly or reverse? Good morning, Pravalika. Fourth quiz in quiz explained, sir. Fourth question quiz. First of all, let me know. I'll do that. First of all, let me know whether you're able to see this properly or not. దీనిపైన ప్రాపర్ గా ఉందో లేదో చూడండి అమ్మా. కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ దిస్ క్విజ్ అసైన్మెంట్? రివర్స్ కనిపిస్తుందా, ప్రాపర్ కనిపిస్తుందా? రివర్స్ కనిపించట్లేదమ్మా క్విజ్ అనేది స్క్రీన్. వెయిట్, నోవా అదేంటి మరి నాకు రివర్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ.
నాకు అంతే అనిపిస్తుంది వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు
ప్రాపర్ గా ఉంది సార్. ఏం రాస్తుందో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మెన్షన్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్? ఎట్లా ఉంది?
ఉల్టా ఉందండి. ఇటు మరి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ పెడితే అక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ పెడితే
అయితే అట్టే ఉండాలనుకుంటా డైరెక్షన్. అనిపించిందా?
కనబడ్డే అంత రివర్స్ ఉంది.
ఇట్స్ అపియరింగ్ రివర్స్.
ఇట్లాంటి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది, ఇట్లాంటి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. అదే
I don't understand why it's like that.
ఇక్కడ రాసేది అక్కడికి వస్తుంది.
బట్ ఫర్ మీ బోర్డ్ కదులుతుంది కిందది కదా. Tomorrow 7 p.m. Saturday 29th May. You are able to see this properly, but for me the video appears reverse in order. I don't understand. It's okay. Okay, can anybody tell me what is that fourth question? Or yeah, it's going reverse, ma. I can't write now. Fourth question. Okay, yeah, physics assignment quiz number 2 tomorrow 7 p.m. right? That's fine. But I'm not satisfied with this setup, ma, because everything appears to me reverse for me. So I, while writing, which hand is this of mine? Which are these two hands? Marker is in which hand now? Chappo Chatla, can you decide? Right, sir. Right hand, but it appears left hand to me in my. నాకు వీడియోలో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. I think I have to set up. Okay. Fourth question ఏంటమ్మా? I don't remember. Can you just somebody type me the okay, I'll check out in this, right? Fourth question ఏంటి? Somebody asked me fourth question. May know what that fourth question is? Okay. Jani Gaud, Venela, Gaddam Ruchika, Chintala Kalyani. Every day I used to say Chintakayala, right? Yeah, today I got it right. Chintala Kalyani, right? Manjula. Okay, wait a while. I'll just change the setup. Wait a while. Workout got there. Reverse. Your better mirror effect. క్యాప్ ఏది రాదింది? So this is what the live. ఇదంతా రికార్డింగ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాను నేను వేస్ట్ గా. I'll do one thing. I'll start. I'll anyway skip this. ఈ వీడియో ఇక్కడ పెట్ట కుదరదమ్మా. All unwanted things have been loaded up in this. I'll start one more session. Wait a while. Let me just check how I'm able to write now. అరే ఎవడ్రా కెమెరా సెటప్ చేంజ్ చేసింది ఇందులో? Students, I'll be right back. Just wait for a while. Right. So we are understanding now in this class, we would like to understand phase relations. We would like to understand now phase relations. Phase relationship means two waves would be either, two waveforms can be either in phase or out of phase. Either in phase or out of phase. Just let me just tell you, if it is in phase, it means that both are going in the same form. What do you mean by two waves are in phase? You can have one more wave like this which is going exactly in the same way. Then both the waves are said to be in phase. Both the waves are said to be in phase. Two waves are said to be in phase. Phase relations lo three things you are going to get. Either two things you are going to get. Either both the waves are in phase or both the waves are out of phase. What do you mean in phase? If both the waves travel simultaneously in the same form, in the same wave structure, then both are said to be in phase. If one goes opposite to the other, now here check out this particular example. When displacement is maximum, velocity is zero. When displacement is zero, velocity is negative times of maximum. When displacement is negative times of maximum, velocity is zero. You are comparing these two things. This is maximum displacement at that location. How much is the velocity? Are they same or different? When this is maximum, this is zero. When this is zero, this is negative times of maximum. When this is negative times of maximum, velocity is zero. When this is zero, velocity is going to be positive times of maximum. Are you getting the difference? Are they going in the same way or different forms? Are they going in the same way or different ways? Answer now. Are they going in the same way or different way? Different way. Going in this different way is that we say out of phase. Like different. What is that we say? Different way. Going in this way is called as out of phase. Is the concept clear? In phase and out phase. In phase and out phase. In phase and out phase. If I get velocity also in the same form, if I get velocity also in the same form like that of displacement, then both are said to be in phase. In phase means having zero difference between the angles. How the first wave is moving, if second wave also goes in the same way, then both the waves are said to be in phase. If first wave is going like this, second wave is going like this, are these in phase or out of phase now? Are they in phase or out of phase now? Answers please. In phase or out of phase? Out of phase. Listen. Once we get the question of out of phase, importantly, by what angle it is out of phase, that is more important. In phase means there is no difference of angle between the waves, 0 degrees. Out of phase means how many out of phases are possible? How many out of phases can be possible? Out of phase by any value between 1 degree to 359 degrees is possible, because 0 degrees corresponds to in phase, 360 also corresponds to in phase only. Are you getting my point? In phase means there is no angle separation between both the waves. Both the waves will have same amplitude at same time. Zero, same amplitude, same time, it keeps on going like this. If two waves travel like this, one more wave is traveling like this, one more, all these waves are said to be in phase. If you say once out of phase, how many different kinds of out of phase are possible? 1 degree to 359 degrees, infinite number of ways it is possible. But out of all the different possible things, we look only about 3 important cases: 90 degrees out of phase, 180 degrees out of phase, 270 degrees out of phase. First wave and second wave are out of phase by 90 degrees. Remember, once you say out of phase, you should say by what angle. Many number of angles are possible. We are not bothered about all the angles. We are bothered only about 3 different cases. Out of 3 also, even 270 is not dead for us. Only 2 are possible. Is that out of phase by 90 degrees or is that out of phase by 180 degrees? Now these 2 are out of phase by what angle? How much is the time difference present? Only quarter part is the difference here. When this time is changing by quarter part, this quarter part is changing. Now displacement and velocity are out of phase by what angle? You can answer this. Displacement and velocity of this equation are out of phase by what angle? Out of phase by 90 degrees now, because 90 degrees, very good, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Or now you're getting this point. phase, these are called as what is this concept called as? This concept is called as phase relationship between the graphs. This concept is called as what? This concept is called as phase relationships. Phase relationships are of two kinds, in phase or out of phase. In phase means having no difference in terms of the wave structures. Now let me write the third one. For the same equation, we have for same this displacement equation, if you remember the third equation of acceleration time graph, which is in the form of what? Plus a omega square to minus a omega square. Plus a omega square to minus a omega square. How we are going to get that one? For first it goes quite opposite, right? It goes like this. It goes like this. For first wave, it goes opposite. You can refer your, now I'm drawing randomly, you can refer your textbooks or in PDF notes what you have done. When displacement is plus, because why are we getting like this? Any idea? You can answer this no. Rishita, I'll tell, don't worry. I mean, I'm just putting all the things together. I'll just, first I'm giving you some outline. I'll repeat properly. First of all, just let me know whether are these three figures we have drawn earlier or not. Let me start freshly. Rishita, I'm repeating this. Listen, all of you listen again. Are these three figures clear? First of all, answer me. Are these three figures we have learned earlier or not? Yes, clear. Are these three figures clear? Earlier we have learned. Clear, Manjula. Rishita, I want answer from you because you asked one more time. Lavanya. Rishita, do you know these three figures earlier? Kalyani, Kavya, Lavanya. Clear, sir. Rishita, clear. We know these figures, right? Right. Okay, listen. Now listen. I'm starting from first. These two graphs are differing in terms of their amplitudes. At same time, one is having maximum positive amplitude, other is having 0. After t by 4 times, this is coming to 0, this is going to negative maximum. This and this means what? Displacement and velocity. After some more time, quarter time, that is half of the time from actual position, this is coming to negative maximum and this is coming to 0. There is some variation observed. When one is maximum, other is minimum. When one is minimum, other is maximum. Both are not maximums at same time. Both are not minimums at same time. Yes or no? Yes or no? Both are not same at same time. Yes. If both are not same in the same form, then these are called as what? These are called as out of phase. If both are same, they say they are in phase. If both are we say they are in phase. If both are different, we say now it is going to be out of phase. Is that clear? In phase and out of phase. This understanding graphs like this is called as phase relationship. Is called as phase relationships. Having in phase means both should go in the same form. If velocity is maximum, displacement is maximum, velocity should also be maximum. If velocity is 0, displacement should also be 0. If both goes like this, then both are said to be in phase. If both are not going like this, both are said to be out of phase. When both are in out of phase is always measured in terms of by what angle it is out of phase. It could be any angle. In phase means having only one possibility, either it should be 0. Both waves are having the phase relationship 0 degrees, then they are said to be in phase. Or 360 degrees, again in phase, because one second wave starts after completion of first cycle, second is going to start. Right? Then Out of phase means anything is possible from 1 degree to 359 degrees. We are not bothered about all that. We should understand out of phase by two different factors. What do you mean by out of phase by 90 degrees? What do you mean by out of phase by 180 degrees? Now, to make you understand this, I make use of these graphs. To make you understand what do you mean by 90 degrees, what do you mean by 180 degrees, out of phase by these two, I am making use of these graphs. Any idea we get from these two graphs? Any idea are we getting from these two graphs? When this is maximum, it is 0. Clearly, these are out of phase. Out of phase by what factors? Out of phase by quarter of the angle, 1/4 of the time period. 1/4 of the time period gives how much of the change of angle? 1/4 of time gives rise to how much of change of angle? 1/4 of time period gives rise to the change of angle given by means of how much? 90 degrees. These two are differing in terms of them. Wait 1 second, students. I'm getting a call. Important call. This is. Just wait a while. Hello.
हेलो
आ गए क्या तुम? हाँ बोलो एक बार सिक्योरिटी हाँ दे दो.
ఇవన్న ఆర్కే సార్ మాట్లాడు
Security. 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 అది నేను రామకృష్ణ సార్ని మాట్లాడుతున్నా, ఫిజిక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. మన సైకిల్ పంచర్లకు చేస్తాకు వచ్చిన ఆయన, చాలా రిపేర్లు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఆయన పర్మిట్ చేయండి, ఓకేనా? లోపల పంపించండి, మా బిల్డింగ్ తెలిసి వచ్చి చేసేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతాడు ఆయన. ఒకసారి ఆయనకి ఇవ్వండి చెప్తాను.
हेलो
ये हमारा बिल्डिंग मालूम है ना, आके अपना A1 साइकिल पहचानते हैं, उसको स्टार्ट कर दो, मैं आके मिलता हूँ तुम्हारा. मैं बाहर होता था, तुम शुरू कर लो आके.
ठीक है
राइट राइट. ఎదురా నా క్లాస్ ఎదురా పోయి, వేర్ ఇస్ మై క్లాస్? ఇది కూడా రికార్డ్ అయ్యిందా? Hope you all heard my call, right? You are able to hear, I suppose. Okay, it's okay. Now we are talking about out of phase by now these two are out of phase clearly by what? These two are out of phase by what? 90 degrees. These displacement velocity are out of phase by what? 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Displacement velocity are out of phase by 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. Clearly when this is maximum, it is coming to be 0. Now check out this one important question. These two are out of phase by what? Displacement and acceleration are out of phase by what? All disturbances I have to. Okay, I'll take like this. Displacement and acceleration are out of phase by what? 180 degrees. Very good. Is that clear? Manjula, very good. Vanilla, very good. Rishita, Spurti, very good. Now you're getting this. Antenamma. These two things you should know. Out of phase means what? Now let us see. Rishita, I want answer to hear from Rishita. Out of phase means. Now draw a graph which is out of phase for this by 180 degrees. This is third one. Is that what we have got? This is for this out of phase means what? I'll draw with red pen. Red pen, please. Red marker, please. For this out of phase by 180 means you should draw like this. Antena? Exactly going opposite to that. Now, what is out of phase for this by 180 degrees? ఇది ఒకటి వస్తే చాలింగ్ మనకి. What is out of phase for 180 for this second one? దీనికి out of phase 180 ఎలా వస్తుందమ్మా? ఇలాగే వస్తుందా చూడండి. Is that clear? Is that clear? Out of phase by 180. What is out of phase? Yes sir, very good. What is out of phase for this by 90? దీనికి 90 degrees out of phase అంటే ఏంటి? When I say out of phase by 90, is it is plus 90 or minus 90 is important. Plus 90 means that one goes up, minus 90 means that one goes down. Clear? Clear? In simple, I can tell you like this. If I have a wave like this, for this, in phase means it should go like this. In phase means it should go like this. Out of phase means it will go opposite to that. Out of 90 means it will go in a form that it should start here and it goes like this. Out of 180 means it will go like this. You don't need much out of 90. It's a simple thing. కొద్దిగా అటు ఇటు అమ్మా అంతే. Maybe my presentation is not up to the full standard today because of some disturbances, but it is somehow or the other it's same thing. I will tell you one thing. I can tell you one thing. ఏంటంటే earlier I gave you some questions similar to this. I asked you to draw the graph. ఇంతకుముందు ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చాను గుర్తుందా? క్లాస్ అయిన వెంటనే ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. Cos omega t plus 5/2 plus 5 అని గుర్తుందా? I gave some questions like this. Yes. Those questions are this only. ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే వీ నీడ్ టు డ్రా ద గ్రాఫ్స్ బై అవుట్ ఆఫ్ అక్కడ 5 దగ్గర ఏమొచ్చిందమ్మా? ఎర్లియర్ 5 వాజ్ సమ్ 90 degrees. ఫస్ట్